Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can fix SteelSeries GG not opening. So it's very simple. You just have to follow these steps. First up, you need to restart your PC and fully restart your computer. Try opening SteelSeries GG again. Now you need to run as administrator. Right click on SteelSeries GG and click run as administrator. And then you gotta kill stuck SteelSeries process. How you can do that? By just pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC. Open Task Manager, and if these are running, SteelSeries GG, SteelSeries Engine, SteelSeries Sonar, and try opening GG again. Once this is done, restart SteelSeries service, and then press Windows plus R, and then service.msc, and then find and restart SteelSeries GG. Once this is done, reinstall SteelSeries GG. So this is the most reliable fix. You can just reinstall SteelSeries and then restart your PC and download the latest version and then open it. Turn off your antivirus, temporarily disable it and try it again. If it works, go to GG exclusives and check for Windows Update. Basically, yeah, this is it. And then restart your PC. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I will see you soon in the next one.